Special delivery for Van Stewart? Yeah, that's me. The heck is this? What is that? What is that supposed to be? It reeks. It looks like food. It smells like Indian food. It kind of feels like a candy. Well, I'll try it. What the hell is that? Alright, you go in there. Hey, mailman! What? You can leave now. Okay. You're taking something with you. Have it back. It tastes like